भाई लाइटिंग बड़ी भी आ रही है अभी तो। Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you the products that I got from Japan.
It's skincare, hair care,
Sheet mask. So keep watching. As this video is going to be long, so I got my coffee. You also sit back with your water or coffee or something. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I got is a face wash, and actually it is empty now. So I got back around first week. So it calls Pear Acne Creamy Foam. So the story behind is that there's a cream that comes like pear acne करके cream आती है जो कि आपको जहाँ acne हो जाए आप लगाओ और next day तक it's gone. So I thought this is that. I did not pay any attention. I was a impulse buyer at that time. So मैंने ले लिया. But when I came back and I used it for 1.5 months, it actually lasted. So it was very good. It was very moisturizing. It was not
soaking legs, pulling all the
moisturizer from my skin. It was good. So it's empty now. So the next thing that I got is बहुत ही वायरल है this vitamin C serum. देखने में बहुत cheap लगता है ये, but it is amazing. I don't have any word for this. So Feb में मैंने इसे यूज़ करना स्टार्ट किया था. Now it is here. So you can understand that it lasted a very long time and it is very good. The next thing that I got is very essential for your skincare, but I got a lot of things of this. So it's sunscreen.
setting and so I got a lot of sunscreen.
So I started using one. I told you in my last video, and it's good actually. It's very good. It's thick. It's not kind of wish care or any which absorbs quickly, but it is thick, but it works well. जब भी मैं इनको यूज़ करूँगी मैं आपको इसका रिव्यू दूंगी, क्योंकि जो मैं अभी यूज़ कर रही हूँ वो ये है बायो यूवी, बट द अदर वेरिएंट दैट आई गॉट इट इज़ दिस वन. आई थिंक दिस इज समथिंग एक्वा रिच और समथिंग लाइक दैट. व्हेनेवर आई यूज़ इट आई विल गिव यू अ रिव्यू फॉर श्योर. And the other sunscreen was this one, the liquid one. I think ये summer में ही use होगा, तो I should open it and start using it. Moving forward, I got a lot of sheet masks. वहाँ पे बहुत variety sheet mask की मिलती है. I will try to attach a video here. You are like, you will go crazy which one I should buy. There are a lot of recommendation on Instagram, and actually I also saw that before going there. But जब तुम वहाँ पे 7th floor का skincare देखोगे, you will be going mad. First there is these two. The quality, it says quality super ceramide and one is quality super VC100. So I've heard a lot about these and I have not used it yet, but I will make a separate video whenever I'm using it. It's like लोग कहते हैं it's very good, so that's why I bought these two. So सबसे best part इस sheet mask में there is not only one sheet mask. It has around 33 or something like that. So they will mention the number how many face masks are there, so you can actually buy according to that. The next sheet mask that I'm using is currently is this one, Cos Parade. See the name? सो दिस वन इज़ क्वाइट ठंडा है अभी, क्योंकि मैं इसको फ्रिज में स्टोर कर रही हूँ. बाकी को फ्रिज में स्टोर करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. ये फिक्रोनिको राइस एसेंस फेशियल मास्क फॉर पोर केयर. इट्स वेरी गुड. इट्स वेरी हाइड्रेटिंग. आई डोंट थिंक सो इंडिया में मैंने अभी तक कोई ऐसा शीट मास्क यूज़ किया है. एंड यू कैन सी हियर इट हैज़ 33 शीट मास्क. सो यू हैव टू जस्ट सील पैक टाइटली and put it in the fridge. So whenever you are applying it, just just pull one of those and just apply it for 15 minutes. The next face mask or face sheet mask that I have is this one, the retinol one. So you know how retinol is very good for our skin whenever we are aging. So I use this, but the instruction around that is says that you have to use it for 15 minutes, but make sure that you are using sunscreen the next day. Okay, the next one is a face mask which is very hydrating. It is not a sheet mask but a face mask. You must have seen this everywhere for like Japan का skincare haul में. So it is a rice face mask. जैसा हम घर पे rice face mask बनाते हैं, similar to that but more hydrated. So I'll show you the texture. I have 4 of these I bought. So if I take this much here, I will close it. So here if you see, it is very creamy and you have to apply it for 15 minutes and then just wash it off. So what I will do, I will keep it as a part of this video, and after some time I will wash or clean it and I will show you how much hydrating it is. So the next face mask that I got is Medicube. It is available in India. It is a Korean product, but Japanese, like the Japan skincare shops had the Korean skincare as well. So this is Medicube. You know this. This is a Medicube collagen night wrapping mask. I don't have to tell a lot about this because you just need to apply it and leave it for the whole night or for 2 to 3 hours. It gives a glow, but I would not say that glow will last a long time, but it is okay. Next thing that I got is this lip balm. Actually my husband got it. As soon as he saw this, he just was like, I have not seen it in India, so that's why we got it. So those who actually follows Japan, like they want to go there, so they know that honey is that brand is something there. So I got a lip balm from there. This looks cute. I have not opened it yet. I don't know how I actually keep myself opening from these kind of products, but ठीक है, अच्छा संयम है मेरे अंदर, तो ये मुझे यूज़ करना बाकी है. I'll make a separate video for review. It's just that showing you the things that I got. So the next product is something that I used a lot. Have you heard of THC? It is a cleansing oil, Korean based, and it works magic. So as soon as I saw this branding DHC, I was like, I need to get that. So this is a lipstick, I would say, from DHC, and it looks like this. Oh my god, DHC. But the color is very I don't know what I will do with this, but let's see. Okay, the another product that I got related to face is this makeup fixing spray, which is very popular in Japan and on Instagram as well. So if it is on Instagram, it should be with me. I'll use it and will show you how it works. So I think that rice mask has dried up. Let me wash it and come back and to show you like how it actually looks. Washed it. Now I will just dry it through a tissue. Can you see the healthy glow? I don't know if camera will do justice, but it feels very smooth. Very smooth it is. So I washed it because of a reason that I want to show you another product. This is the next product that I got. It is no pore primer. So I have not used it. I don't know why I have not used it. Let's try it. Ooh, it's very pretty. It's very pretty. I have not opened it before. So let's use this other product. I will use in some other video. Oh wow, it's so good. It's so good. You see, I don't want to ruin it, but I will. Let's keep and just I used it. I'll use in front of you. See, I will use it on my face someday, then I think I will be able to tell. But what I see here, it does something, but face will be the actual canvas that where I should try it. Last two products that is remaining. I'm going to show you one more honey related like the honey deep moist hair oil, it says. Is it a hair oil? I don't know. I got this. You must have seen this everywhere. It is on Myntra as well, I think. So this is a, I actually purchased it thinking that it is a shampoo, but it says we love organic
and buttercup.
oil. The finest argan oil and honey were selected. So it is a oil. ऐसे बावले हो जाओगे तो क्या होगा, यही होगा कि ला रहे थे शैम्पू, ले आए ऑयल. Okay, the next product that I have, you must have seen it before. Fino. You must have seen it. So the Fino, it is a premium touch hair mask. So I have not used it yet. I will make a separate video of it. Again, I'm telling you. So just subscribe the channel so that you can see these kind of videos again. Okay. So ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा वायरल है. You know, there's one more called Subaki. I don't know why I didn't take that. मैं शैम्पू की जगह ऑयल लेने में ज़्यादा बिजी थी, तो ठीक है, next time. Okay, the next one which I love most is this eyeliner. It says one day tattoo, and it is actually, I have applied it right now as well. Those who know me, I don't know makeup, I don't know a shit about makeup. It's just that eyeliner lagana bhi is a task for me. But I have seen the Japanese girl, they are like applying that perfect eyeliner. I was like, how they apply it, because it was not as thick and it was very fine, and nobody actually applies like this here in India. So I bought it, you can see, and it's like this. See, it's very light, it's not a very harsh or solid line, it's blurred line, but I love it. There was a lot of chocolates that we bought from Don Quixote. Those who have been there, they know what a feeling it is being in Don Quixote. So the सारी chocolate तो अंदर गई, खा लिया, नहीं रुक सकते 2-3 महीना. That's all from my side for this video. And if you are planning to go to Japan, just do visit Don Quixote, and then like वहाँ पे जाके try to explore आराम से. Don't get mad like me. तो धीरे धीरे करके आप एक एक चीज़ें लीजिए. और I would say एक विजिट कभी नहीं रखनी चाहिए आपको. 2-3 दिन अगर आप वहाँ टोक्यो में हैं, आप क्योटो में हैं, आप ओसाका में हैं, everywhere Don Quixote is there. Go ahead, shop, go crazy. And if you're not planning for a trip to Japan, why you are not planning? तो अगर आप प्लान नहीं कर रहे हैं वहाँ जाने का, या फिर आपको ये प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करने हैं, जब मैं यूज़ करके दिखाऊंगी, इफ़ यू लाइक इट, तो आई वुड से कि देयर इज़ एन ऐप कॉल्ड मिमोसा, आई थिंक, और मिमोसो, आई डोंट नो. आई विल लिंक दैट बिलो. थोड़े ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट्स मतलब हाई रेंज में है ये वाले वहाँ पे. मैंने तो वहाँ येन में ख़रीदे थे, तो इट वॉज चीपर. बट ये वाले आपको प्रोडक्ट्स वहाँ मिल जाएंगे, बट सब कुछ 2000 तक में है. ऑल्सो डन विद माय कॉफी.